Hello, Robert Leitz, March 1st, 2016. Thought I'd try to do a quick video. Watching some videos about the speed of light and how when you look in the universe, you're seeing back in time. You're not seeing back in time. It's a real-time universe. Everything is coming at you EPR. Now, to receive a signal, okay, now you're talking the speed of light, but it comes down to what's the speed of light, and it's three things, all right? Speed of light, yeah, you want to call it a speed, that's cool, okay? It's the aging process of the universe, and it's the echo of instant notification, all right? Now, the special theory of relativity, okay? Here's the sun. Okay, now I'm a giant, all right? Now I'm going to come over and I'm going to cover the sun, and you get to see everything in real time, all right? So here's the sun. You get to see the giant come over, cover the sun, pull the thing apart, okay? Uncover the sun. Now what do you think you're going to see? You're going to see nothing? Don't forget, you get to watch the giant come over, all right? Cover the sun, okay? And then pull the cloth away. Now you're going to see nothing for 8 minutes, okay? And then all of a sudden you're going to see light. It don't work that way, all right? And even if you said, well, you're seeing me 8 minutes, there's an 8 minutes delay, then there should be another 8-minute delay with this. But it's physically impossible, okay, to see somebody come over, cover the sun, all right? And you get to watch the whole act and then pull it away, okay? And see a blank hole there? No, it don't work that way, all right? Because the light that you see, all right, is quantum entangled, all right? That is the wrong button, yeah. Okay, all right, so I'm quantum entangled with the wall, all right? Every time I cut this, all right, the whole universe knows. The universe works on infinite memory, all right? So when I cut that, it's instant, all right? And the speed of light, okay, the echo, all right, you could glue data on, okay? That's how with voices or images, it comes down to the first TV set, which is really pretty simple, okay? Once you cut the instant, okay, then you can hand off data. But light itself is instantly, okay? I don't want to get mixed up because they say the speed of light, and the speed of light is an echo of instant notification, all right? The speed of light, you want to call it a speed, that's cool, even though motion don't exist if you go the speed of light, okay? The speed of light is the aging process. We live on the echo, okay? Even if you want to look at atoms, you got to look at atoms as solid time, solid echo, solid image, things like that, okay? Everybody tries to compare the universe to a computer, which is correct, very correct, but you can't explain that using the mass theory, okay? You got to look at atoms as solid megapixels, okay? And with Schrodinger's cat, okay, it all comes down to observation, all right? Once you know if the cat's alive or dead, all right, the whole universe knows. It's like Miss Kravitz calling on the telephone and telling the whole neighborhood, all right? That's how it works. Even with the atomic bomb, what they do, they shoot a neutron. Neutrons function like your eyeballs, okay? So if this thing's ready to go and it needs that one last neutron, it's like a mirror. The atoms are a mirror ball, okay? And once the neutron goes in, the whole universe instantly knows, and kaboom, she comes out the speed of light. The gravity wave, you could call that a data wave, okay? Now, if the sun, if you covered the sun or took the sun apart, you know, all of a sudden the sun ceases to exist. The gravity wave that comes out, that's a data wave. Okay? It's going to tell the Earth to move. It's like a cut in the universe, okay? But you would receive the wave in darkness, okay? All right? It's not like you're going to receive the wave as the sun disappears, okay? Once you cut that sun, okay? Once you cover the sun, that's darkness, all right? And there's four forces in the universe. You got the speed of light, the equal yet opposite speed of light. There's uncertainty and certainty. Forget about special theories. Forget about, well, gravity is time, all right? And electromagnetism, that's how reality travels, all right? And the strong and the weak, come on. Like I say, Mickey Mouse could have thought of the strong and the weak. It just, you'll never put it together with that. Atoms shed time, okay? Everybody's saying, oh, time, the Big Bang. Atoms shed time. That's all you got to know. And Schrodinger's cat, all right? That's the big thing. If you can't figure out the cat, you're basically nowhere, all right? The cat is the marking device of the universe. It leaves a trail of breadcrumbs in case you ever want to go back in a time machine, which only the universe can do that. Okay, you could go back in time in a fake way and in a similar way, okay? But like human memory is a fake way, similar way, maybe you watch old movies. But to go back in a real way, only the whole universe has to do that. You can't hack into the universe, okay? And the universe is a computer. Everything's in the atom. You got the iPhone in the atom. You got a 3D printer. Everything comes in one dimension, okay? There's no such thing as the third dimension. This ain't really a third dimension, okay? It's thin slices of a one dimension, all right? Because once you start going into one dimension, does the third dimension actually exist, or is the third dimension just a big accumulation of one dimensions? So, all right, anyway, I wanted to just end it on the speed of light, okay? Otherwise I keep going on and on. And remember, observation, okay? Once you break down, it's like if there was 10 trillion people on the earth, okay? And they all looked at the sun at the same time. Would the sun blow up? I don't know, it might, you know, because your eyes function like neutrons, all right? And everything, it's like the ping, okay, from the jet airplane where they know, you know, from the satellite where they know that the jet airplane is out there, and the universe constantly keeps in touch with the atoms. And if it didn't do that, atoms would constantly change elements, okay? If this was hydrogen, next second it would be, I don't know, helium. Next second it would be some other weird thing. But there's a break, okay? Reality keeps it in place. If the universe didn't know what the atom was, it would constantly change elements. Schrodinger's cat, the marksman of the universe, if you can't figure out the cat, you're nowhere. Like I say, I know about the special theory of relativity, which came out in 1905 and 1906, but it ended in 1950 with the cat box, okay? You ever came a little bit closer, but the last letter, I think, was in 1950. So, you know, even though we created the bomb and TV and the whole thing, it still comes down to the cat, and the cat marks an instant in time. Time is infinite, okay? And there's a lot of things. Memory is infinite. When infinity comes in, okay, there's only one thing you can do with infinity, and that's mark it at an instant. So Schrodinger's cat, that's like the marksman of the universe. Like I say, when you see out, everybody's saying, I see back billions and billions. No, you're not seeing back billions and billions of years. That's like the 87 supernova. First came the darkness, okay? And then 3 hours later, like a cloud, you got to see the light. But it happened instantly, okay? Well, you see, like I say, you could be the judge, okay? If you saw a giant, okay, you get to witness the whole act. Come over and cover the sun, okay? It's like a magic act, all right? And take it away, and even if you say, yeah, but what I see is delayed 8 minutes, then this should still be, there can't be a void for 8 minutes. It's just, you know, it makes no sense. So anyway, the speed of light is a speed. The speed of light is the aging process of the universe, okay? But the big thing, okay, remember with EPR, you can't glue data on, Okay? You could, like with that one planet, you could blink lights and they say blah, blah, blah. But once you cut the data, once you cut the instant, okay, then you could hand off the data and that comes the speed of light. So, save my batteries here. Anyway, Robert Leitz signing off March 1st, 2016. See if I can still do that. Yeah, it's got to be right. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.